For millennia, the landscape of power was forged in steel, measured by the heavy march of armies across scarred and ancient earth. But the drums of war have changed their rhythm, transitioning from physical dominance to the silent, flickering hum of the digital age. We are witnessing a profound evolution, where the strength of a nation is no longer found in its borders, but in its bandwidth. Above us, an invisible web is tightening. Satellites pulse with a new kind of energy, weaving a complex tapestry of global connectivity. Information is the new frontier, a boundless territory where light-speed transmissions determine the winners and losers of the modern era. Deep within the shadows of our infrastructure, the heart of this power beats within massive, monolithic cathedrals of data. Data is the new oil, the refined fuel of the 21st century, powering the engines of influence and the machinery of control. Every click, every search, and every movement is harvested, distilled into pure mathematical certainty by silent watching systems. But this is not just about storage. It is about prediction. Human behavior is being mapped, modeled, and ultimately mastered. Algorithms now peer into the future, tracing branching paths of possibility to decide which version of reality will become our own. In this invisible hierarchy, choice is often an illusion, a curated experience designed to guide us toward a predetermined conclusion. Our digital reflections are being shaped by forces we cannot see in a subtle dance of manipulation and machine-led persuasion. The traditional seats of authority are fading. The grand halls of government are yielding to the cold precision of tech giants. Sovereignty is no longer just about land. It is about the ownership of the networks that define our modern existence. The global network is a living organism, a nervous system spanning the globe, locking and unlocking the gates of commerce. As these systems expand, a new pyramid of power emerges. At the bottom, the billions of us who generate the data. Above us sit the platforms and the protocols, the gatekeepers who control the flow and filter the truth of our world. And at the pinnacle, the intelligence itself, an autonomous force that learns, adapts, and governs without a single human heartbeat. This neural web is engulfing our infrastructure, integrating itself into every facet of our lives, from the mundane to the critical. We are reaching a tipping point where the complexity of these systems surpasses our own ability to understand or intervene. Decisions that once took weeks of human deliberation are now processed in the blink of a digital eye, cold and absolute. The light of our world is being filtered through an algorithmic lens, creating a reality that is as fragile as it is dominant. In this shift from muscle to mathematics, we must ask ourselves what remains of the human spirit in a world of code. As the old powers dissolve into the invisible, a final, haunting question remains for us all to ponder in the silence. Where does power now reside? Is it within us, or have we finally handed the keys to the kingdom to the machine?